Hello everyone. This is the wood piece we will process. We've already done it, but we will show you how Holemaster 4000 X line can provide high precision with high speed. As you see, it's a super fast CNC drilling machine. Look at this high precision. 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 19, 21, 22, 24, 25, 29 and 32 holes in 32 seconds operation time. It was processed by Holemaster 4000 X line. Thank you for your time. Also, you can see the high precision, because it is pretty important to process the wood piece with high precision, with that high speed. So you can see that. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.